In this video, I'll show you how to fix your iPhone that is frozen, stuck, unresponsive, or simply isn't working. You want to follow these steps to quickly fix it. So let's get started. For this method, what we're going to do is locate the volume up and the volume down button along with this big side button. What you want to do is quickly press and release the volume up, followed by quickly press and release the volume down. The important to do it is quickly one after another and then holding onto the side button until the screen goes completely black. So we'll do quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, and then I hold onto the side button just like that. You're going to want to keep on holding onto that side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo reappears. During this process, we're going to wait for the Apple logo to appear, and at that time, you'll let go of it. And what we're basically doing is force restarting the iPhone here, which basically shuts down the phone software and reloads the code. So if it's a software-related issue, most likely is why the phone is frozen, stuck, or just simply not working. You're going to apply this method. Now, if it doesn't work the very first time, give it a try again. You can do it as many times as you need to. Sometimes it doesn't work the very first time if you don't do it properly. So you want to quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, and then hold onto the side button. And this method, you can do it as many times as you need to until you can get the phone to go ahead and respond to you. And this method will not delete any of your personal data. So all of your photos, videos, apps, everything will still be on your iPhone. Again, basically doing a force restart on the phone itself, fixing any software-related issue, and it's safe to do on your iPhone. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please do consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone 16 and iOS 18. If this tutorial was helpful, please let me know in the comments below this video, and for more helpful tutorials, you can check the links in the description.